Hi, hope you are doing well. We will discuss about how much RAM is suitable for a web developer, especially using PHP, MySQL, Apache, especially for a PHP developer. If you are a learner going to learn web development using PHP, MySQL, then 4 GB of RAM is more than sufficient to you. Even you can survive with less than 4 GB, but 4 GB is sufficient. You will have a XAMPP setup in your laptop or system with a normal editor, say Notepad++, and a FTP client to upload your project files to a production server to make your projects publicly available so that you can put your projects in your resume. In this learner context, 4 GB of RAM is sufficient to you. Say another context, you are a professional freelancer or working in a small company, say 10 to 15 employees, working in a small company, then you will be working in real-time projects for your clients. In this scenario, you need 8 GB of RAM. Why? You will have a XAMPP setup, FTP client, a decent PHP editor along with Notepad++, a PHP editor to do faster coding. You probably need to work with code repository, say Git. This is not mandate, but depends upon your client. Some clients may prefer a code repository. Some clients may give FTP access to the production server, so you can directly upload the project files to the server. It depends upon client. In small companies, the clients may not prefer or may not aware of Git setup and all. They give a direct FTP or cPanel access, and your client will send the project requirements clarifications in a Word document. So you will need to open a Microsoft Word or any other text editor to read the requirements from your clients. So you will have a XAMPP, a FTP, a PHP editor. You may have a Git client or code repository client. You will have a Microsoft Word or any other text editor. So you will be comfortable in 8 GB of RAM. So you need 8 GB of RAM if you are a freelancer or working in a small company and want to use your laptop or computer for project purpose. Now we will go to third context. Say you are a corporate employee or working in enterprise projects, bigger clients, then you will need 16 GB of RAM for your laptop or system. Why? You are still a PHP developer, but you need 16 GB of RAM. It's because you will be attending the daily status call or stand-up call using your laptop or computer. You will have a communication tools or softwares installed on your computer. You will be joining audio or video calls using your system. Often you will be engaging in screen share session with your clients to demonstrate your progress, day-to-day progress. Apart from this, definitely you will have a code repository client, say JIT client. You have to commit your code. You have to undergo DevOps orchestration process to get your code deployed to production. You cannot simply FTP your code to production. You have to follow the process. Apart from this, you may need to work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint for document preparation, deck preparation. Depends upon your company policy and your role also. Depends upon your role also. Sometimes you may need to enable virtualization in your laptop system, or sometimes you will use your system as a thin client to connect with the client's virtual machine. Client's virtual machine will have all the necessary softwares to work in the project. In any scenario, apart from the coding activity, programming activity, there are non-coding activities or corporate activities where you have to work with other tools, communication tools, documentation tools, etc. All this needs more RAM and CPU power. So in this context, definitely you need 16 GB of RAM. 4 GB of RAM will not sufficient. Your system will hang. Opening a Word document or Excel document will take long time. Your PHP editor will take long time to load. 16 GB of RAM is sufficient or required for being a corporate employee or using your laptop, using your personal laptop or computer for corporate purpose. So identify which role or which type of developer you are and choose your RAM size accordingly. You may be a PHP developer, still a PHP developer, but other extra activities you have to do depends upon your role. Okay. Hope this video helpful. Thank you.